Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download Windows 10 image with easy method. Open one browser, search for refuse.ie. We need one software. It is Refuse. Scroll down. Here we have different version of Refuse. Download the standard one. It is 4.7.exe. I have already downloaded Refuse. When you download Refuse, open Refuse. Yes. First time when you open Refuse, this button is not available here. This drop down. After a few seconds, this drop down will available. Click in this drop down. Select download. Click on download. It will take a few moments. Now this page will appear with Windows 11 ISO, but we can select Windows 10 also and also UEFI shell. We need to download Windows 10. Select Windows 10, then continue. It is 22H2 V1. It is for 2023. Okay, continue. Again continue. Select your language. I want to select English International. Then continue. In this step, select Windows architecture. You can select x64 and also x32. I want to select x64. Download. Select your location. Where do you want to store this image? I want to download on desktop. Save. When the process finished, click on close. I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.